sacar esa parte barata.
No creo. A lo mejor.
Eso es barato, creo.
It's starting to run through. There we go. We got one there. That one's running through too. We got the next one in. Right there. Press a little up so you can get those threads in right. Okay. And watch your swivel. 15. Okay. That's in too. Alright, let's give these suckers a good old squeeze. And actually, you know what? I'm not gonna need to use this. I'll just do with this one. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. Alright, well, I don't know about you guys, but I've gotten into a habit of always marking my bolts. There you go. Don't worry about this wire running it and disconnecting the other one later. Just put on the rotor action. I don't know why I grabbed the shoe. Alright. And run. This little tool is fucking cool. Awesome tool. This one's by Mac. The impact driver set for the rotors. This one comes in clutch so many times. Okay. You just get a hammer. Make sure it's tight, and there you go. Awesome. Easy. Guys, you see that yellow shit on there? It's like Loctite. I don't know who did the brakes last, but why Loctite? Actually, as a matter of fact, let me clean that off. Yes, sir. Oh, nice.
That's all I needed. I'll be ready to roll.
Alright. Now they're all squeaky clean. Now they're going so much smoother. Maybe whoever did it didn't have the strength to put a good to it. But I would not put Loctite on there because it sucks for the next guy. Alright, let's take the pins. Oh yeah, those pins are good. Okay, well, it's not getting new brakes, so let's just slap this back together. This one. And another one. Bring this sucker down. There we go. And you are.